guys, welcome to our stream. Today on What's Cooking on Appscrip, we're here with our lead developer, Mr. Jayesh, who's now going to be demonstrating our brand new video streaming feature. Alright, here's a shot of us setting up our live video stream feature. Unknown to one of our developers, we're going to be placing this camera and sort of spying on his development activities. Jayesh, can you demonstrate how we set up the video stream? As you see, we click on our Go Live and we just have to enter our stream name. To this, anyone with the app and the name can subscribe and live stream this exact video. That looks good. Let's place it now to get a little spy shot of our developers' activities. Now we're going to show how a user can subscribe to our live video streaming channel via ICU app. As you see, all one person needs to do is just enter the stream name, download the app, enter the stream name, and before you know it, you will now have a live video documentary of one of our developers. As you see, our developer in his natural habitat is consuming coffee and working hard. This is now his 6th cup of coffee, which is a lot of coffee for a developer. And as predictably, give it a second, he looks like he needs to go quickly answer Mother Nature's call. That concludes our episode on What's Cooking with Appscrip today. Thank you, Jayesh, for giving us that valuable demonstration.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more.